Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Winger and Summer from Dragon Rescue Riders. Grab your marker and follow along with me. We're going to make it very easy today, so we're going to draw two dragons. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to draw an hourglass shape. A elongated line. And then, top of the line, we're going to draw a half circle. Now in this half circle, you're going to draw a little nose, and then you're going to take it all the way to the side of the circle. That's going to be a little nose, and right there you're going to draw the bottom of the nose. Two nostrils, and we're going to color these nostrils in. Two nostrils. Right, both sides of the nose. You're going to draw the bottom of the eye, and then from there you're going to draw the top eye, and we're going to do the same thing here as well. Now we're going to draw the pupils, but it's elongated pupils, so you're just going to draw two little cat-like pupils like that. Let's color the pupils in. Right on top of the eyes, I'm going to draw the eyebrows, and I'm going to take it all the way to the side here, and then you're going to do the same thing on this side as well. And then right above the eyebrows, you're just going to draw a little circle there, a curve on top. Now we can draw the head. So she's got this wavy pattern on top of her head, like a flower. So let's draw it, and you bring it to the side. And we'll do the same thing on this side as well, and bring it to the side. There we go. Now it's time for the body. So below I'm going to draw the legs. I'm going to draw two curves out for the legs, and then on top I'm going to draw the neck, and I go down to the front legs, and I'll stop right there. This side I'm going to do the same thing, all the way around to the front legs, and I'm going to stop right there. I'm going to draw a straight line below, and I'm going to draw a toe. Let's draw three toes. This side, straight line, and we'll draw three toes. Now for the hind legs. I'm just going to draw two little curves going out, and we're going to draw the toes. There. Now for the wings. Two little hooks coming out, and then I'm going to draw the wing on top. Let's do the same thing on this side as well. We'll draw the wing on top, we'll take it back, and the little skin between the wings. Let's do the same thing on this side, and we can draw the skin below, beneath it. And now we can draw a few little segments in her neck, and there's some. Let's go to Winger. We're going to do the same thing, hourglass first. We're going to draw an hourglass, a bit bigger, and a bit wider, and a bit shorter. Then from here, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to draw the neck area, bring it there, and I'm going to bring the neck, and I'm going to connect it on both sides. Now I'm going to draw the head. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to draw this half circle, and I'm going to stop right there. The nose is a bit wider, so on top it's a bit wider, like that. And then I'm going to connect it to the side of the head as well, like we did the last time. And I'm just going to connect these two lines, and of course you're going to draw the nostrils. Now let's draw the eyes first. So this eyes is sort of boxy. So I'm just going to draw 2 straight lines, top and bottom. And then I'm going to connect them with a curve. This side I'm going to do the same. Connect them with a curve. Elongated pupils because it's sort of cat-like. Let's color the pupils in. Now we're going to draw the head. We're going to draw 2 horns out, nice curve round. This side I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to bring it in the middle, but I'm not going to let the lines touch, like this. And then there's this little horn right there as well. There's the head. Next we're going to draw the legs. So you'll see the legs is a bit longer than Summer's. And on this side we're going to draw the front leg. Bring it out. A front length, bring it out as well. Flat line below. And then we're going to draw 3 toes. There we go. 3 toes. Then I'm just going to draw another toe next to this one and another toe, and I'm going to connect the legs, the hind legs, and right here between the front legs you're going to draw the hind legs as well. Now for the wings. There's one wing, skin below. Let's do the same on this side. And then the skin between. From here I'm going to draw a tail, lying flat on the ground, bring it up. I'm going to leave a line open, a place open, and I'm going to leave another spot open. Then I'm going to bring the line up, touch it, and then here you're going to draw 2 horns. Winger's got a horn there on his tail. And there you go. And there's Summer and Winger. Now look at my picture and try to match the colors, and I'm sure Summer and Winger will look absolutely perfect. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment if you want me to draw something else. And I'll see you soon. Bye bye.